So as you see, this window had tape on her. They're having problems with the window going up and down. So I took the door panel off, it's right there. And the reason they're having problems with this not staying up and down is because of this. See it? This popped out of place, okay? So therefore the motor's still good. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to put back in there. I just recommend you getting you a new one. Here goes a new one, right here. And this piece you see here is these right here. So we have to replace the whole thing. So the size you need is a 10mm. All you want to just pick up the speaker like this and unplug it from right here. So now, see the actuator loose, we'll take off this screw here too. Now we gotta take off the window. There they go. I'll loosen both of those screws there. Since I already got the window loose, we gotta get the window out, right? That's what you're gonna do here. Start taking this trim off. So you can pop the window out. To take off this part, we're gonna take off 3 screws. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. Here goes the piece right here, look. Goes the motor. So as you can see, look, all this came out of place. Look, that's the reason it wasn't working. So this motor's still good. Anyways, don't let all these wires confuse you. All this comes together. But this is how you unplug. That's it. Okay, so here goes a new one right here. Remember, these right here, that one and this one, you might want to loosen it up. Remember, this one and this one, loosen up, because that's where your window sits, right in there. See how they're shut, so your window can't go in there. So let me loosen it up real quick. So like that, now the window can sit in there, see? So now I'm about to open this up, watch this. See how it's open now? The window sits in there. And then once it's in there, you tighten it up, but not too much, because then you can break the window. Cool. This screw here goes right here. Here goes the motor right here. See this plug right here? That plug goes right here. Right there. Just plug it in there. So you see right here, That's where the window has to sit, right in there. Watch this. There you go. See it? Fell right in there now. So all you have to do now is tighten it up, that one there. But don't forget, we still got to put on the trim. So I got the weather strip on there already, but here I can't. I gotta roll the window down for me to do that. There you go. So I'm gonna bring the window down right now. I'm right here. See the window working now? There it goes. Now I'm gonna bring the window back up. Now that it's in place, you can come right here and tighten those up. But I'm not gonna tighten those up with this. If you go too much, you can crack the window. So I'm gonna just do it by hand. So there you go, let's try it out now. Everything's working perfectly now, look. Perfect. There it goes. Real quick, there's a bracket you have to take off the old motor and put on this one, which is right here. You see this piece here, like a Y? We need to take off that screw, this one and that one, and we need to put this piece back on the other motor. One, 2, and 3. You gotta take those off, but you gotta be real careful because it's the motor, okay? And the size for these right here, these screws here, 1, 2, and 3, 5/16. So once you have the bracket on there, now go ahead and put your speaker on there. See a little plug here? Goes right in here. There he goes. Now go, with the little teeth, hang it on there. Just like that. Now, you put the screws right here. So this screw and this screw holds the speaker and the rest of the motor together. See the brackets? There he goes. And this other screw goes right here.